I have translated the unboxing of the new 2026 368G scooter to English. Please share and enjoy. ZT368TG new scooter unboxing and onboard accessory installation video tutorial, preparation tools, number 12 socket, scissors, number 5 and 6 hex wrenches, T25 Torx wrench, number 10 and 12 open-end wrenches, high seat plate and low seat plate can be distinguished according to the side bracket as shown in the picture. Use scissors to cut the packaging bag on the carton. And two people work together to lift the carton away. Use scissors to cut the transparent tape fixing the onboard accessory box and take down the 3 accessory boxes included with the vehicle. Use the number 12 socket and electric wrench to remove the 14 fixing bolts on the top packaging iron frame. Two people work together to lift the top packaging iron frame away. Continue to remove the fixing iron frame bolts and dismantle the iron frame. According to the video method, use scissors to remove the protective bubble wrap on the scooter body. Take out the handlebar upper clamp from the onboard accessory box. Use scissors to remove the protective foam from the handlebar. Install the handlebar upper clamp using a number 6 hex wrench to first screw in the 4 fixing bolts, about 3 to 5 threads to align the points, then tighten. The torque setting is 25 Newton meters. Tightening sequence. First tighten the 2 upper bolts, then the 2 lower bolts. The video shows the use of a torque wrench to tighten the bolts, and the installation points of the handlebar upper clamp and handlebar. Remove the left and right handlebar rubber sleeve iron frames. Remove the fixing straps securing the vehicle. One person holds the vehicle steady, while another continues to use the number 12 socket and electric wrench to remove the iron frame fixing the front wheel. Two people work together to push the vehicle out onto the iron frame. ZT368TG vehicle accessory installation and basic vehicle function check. After removing the hood panel, as shown in the video for the basic vehicle function check, find the starter relay and insert the connector into the starter relay. You will hear a beep indicating the vehicle is powered on. Then reinstall the starter relay to its original position, organize the wiring harness, and check if the white transparent cover of the relay is properly closed. After preparing the key, press the power button to start the vehicle. Press the horn button, emergency hazard lights, left and right turn signals, front and rear brake lights to check if the functions are normal. Start the vehicle and check the vehicle lighting system functions, including high beam, low beam, front 5 lights, passing lights, and daytime running lights. Press the passing light button and check if the left and right handle switch buttons light up with backlight. Turn off the vehicle, push it in place, and check the front and rear braking functions. With the vehicle powered on in the start state, check the electronic fuel tank lock function. Press the seat button and check the seat lock function. Install the windshield according to the video method. Install the hood panel by aligning the hood panel with the clips and pushing upwards. Then install the clips at the hood panel camera position and check if the camera is centered in the hole. Finally, reinstall the 2 expansion bolts to secure the hood panel. Wipe the stop bracket clean according to the video method, then attach the single-sided 3M adhesive rubber pad. Prepare 4 stop glass fixing bolts and pre-install the flanged bushing buffer glue and nylon washers. Install the windshield nut to the back of the windshield bracket. Manually install 1 fixing bolt and tighten it. Then sequentially install the remaining 3 fixing bolts. The buffer glue and nylon washers inside the bolts must not be omitted. Use a number 12 open-end wrench and a T25 Torx wrench to tighten and fix the 4 windshield fixing bolts. Install the handguard and rear view mirror. Take out the right handguard accessory. According to the video method, assemble the right handlebar handguard. Use 1 M62 bolt to assemble and tighten the handguard and handguard bracket. Then take out the handguard and assemble it according to the video method, using 2 M64 axle bolts to tighten and fix it. Take out the left handguard accessory and assemble the left handlebar handguard according to the video method. Use 1 M62 bolt to assemble and tighten the handguard and handguard bracket. Then take out the handguard and assemble it according to the video method, using 2 M64 axle bolts to tighten and fix it. Install the left handguard. Then use a number 5 hex wrench to install and tighten an M66 bolt to secure it. Install the right handguard. Then use a number 5 hex wrench to install and tighten an M66 bolt to secure it. Take out the right rear view mirror and bolt accessories. Use a number 6 hex wrench to pre-tighten the rear view mirror fixing bolt. The rear view mirror has a fixed point mark, which needs to align with a triangular mark on the fixing block below it. Then tighten the bolt to secure it and install the rear view mirror rubber plug. Take out the left rear view mirror and bolt accessories and use a number 6 hex wrench to pre-tighten the left rear view mirror fixing bolt. The rear view mirror has a fixed point mark, which needs to align with a triangular mark on the fixing block below it. Then tighten the bolt to secure it and install the rear view mirror rubber plug. Install the accompanying decorative parts and install the upper pressing block bolt decoration opening according to the installation direction. Install the left and right guard rubber plugs. Open the seat cushion and install 4 fixed seat cushion nut decorative covers and 2 seat tube fixing bolt rubber caps. Install the rear armrest fixing bolt decorative cover. And 4 N8 threaded hole decorative covers. Install the middle cover plate of the rear tail skirt liner. Install the license plate. Take out the license plate and installation fixing bolt and nut accessories from the accompanying parts, and install the license plate according to the video installation method, using tools T25 Torx wrench and number 10 open-end wrench.
I'm coming for the throne.